Good morning. So good to see you here at Science and Story. Before we start, I want us to check in with ourselves. How are you feeling? Yeah, tired. Yeah, excited to be here. Yeah, I'm feeling all of those too. How about if you had to rate yourself from 1 to 10? 1 being you just don't feel yourself, but 10, you feel really relaxed and ready to learn. What would you say? Let's practice looking in our inner self and finding that inner resource to find that happy place. So we're ready to learn today. Remember the song, Under the Sea? Today we're going back under the sea to look at the lives of an octopus. Let's just imagine you're Inky and you want to go back to that special happy place. Think about what Inky would think about. Yes. Yeah, it's calm, it's peaceful there. You know how Inky finds that place? Inside? Let's do some little octopus breathing. Spread your octopus arms really wide and give yourselves a big hug. Spread those octopus arms really, really big and give yourselves a big hug. Now Inky uses his little suckers on the end of the arms and all over the arms. Do you see my suckers? Let's give ourselves a little bit of octopus love. Find the place where it feels great for your suckers to go to. Yeah, I see some of you going behind your back. Oh yeah. Up and down your legs. Give those octopus loving. Sometimes Inky likes to hum like this. Last week we talked that there have 3 hearts. Let's get some relaxation into our hearts and breathing into our hearts. So just imagine when you take a deep breath, all that oxygen is going into your heart. Inky has 3 hearts. Breathe it into your heart. I don't know which heart you're going to use. How did that feel? I'm feeling a little more peaceful, a little more calm. I know that inner resource is there. In fact, I'm going to take a little snapshot. Me, an octopus under the sea, spreading my arms, pulling in that peaceful, calm feeling. I know I can find that inner resource anytime I need it. Now I think I'm ready to listen and learn about the octopus scientist. You are too, I can tell.